Okay, Sunday, 16th, Father's Day, 2024. We are here at Old Clairmont Road. For those that don't know or don't remember, this was Clairmont Road. This was the two-lane bridge across South Peachtree Creek. This is the original, or I guess original at least paved or concrete bridge over South Peachtree Creek. It does not have a date stamp on it, so I am assuming this was pre-1919. That's looking down towards Emory. This is turning, looking back towards the old Decatur Waterworks up there. The trail that runs to Emory is right there. I'm not sure how far that trail goes there. It comes out over here from the waterworks. It crosses South Peachtree Creek, Burnt Fork Creek, where they come together at that old stone bridge, and is going to go all the way over to North Decatur Mall. And that's where we're headed to get video of North Decatur Mall before they tear it down. We're going to be putting these clips together, pictures together, and making a video of Decatur, Atlanta, some snapshots, and North Decatur Mall before it's gone. Now that trail to the left will lead you down to Clairmont Road and going over to Emory. This trail up here to the right will take you over to the old Decatur Waterworks down by the where Burnt Fork Creek, Peachtree Creek sort of come together, and then on over to Medlock, and then I guess they're going to extend it on over to North Decatur Mall with that development. The bridge and the trail are already heavily used this morning. I guess they're keeping people from throwing stuff over or jumping over, climbing over. People are putting these locks on here. That is looking back towards Decatur, the old Druid Hills trestle, and into Decatur. This is looking on back up towards Tucker. To our right is the old Decatur Waterworks. We're not going to go down there to it. We got a lot to do today. This is an old cistern that was up at the top of the hill. I do have a photo of the old Decatur Waterworks from the 30s, before all the buildings were torn down, and I have video and pictures before the remnants of the buildings and stuff were torn down, and the snow and the stone bridge. But we're going to head on over to North Decatur now.